So this is the drive wheel of this Sherman tank. It shows it's Firestone. So this is made by Firestone. So it's interesting. Another one here, it's military, of course. That's expected because this is a tank.
Somebody wanted to dock this.
And its book assembly consists of 4 drive wheels for a total of about 12 drive wheels and all this track system of this Sherman M4 3A tank. In comparison, this Ram tank, which was based on the original M3 chassis, has a total of only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bogie drive wheels. Because what happened, it is using as a more simpler type of bogie suspension system, as you can see. So instead of using a horizontal bolliot suspension spring, it is using vertical. So we have the 2 types of bolliot over here, 1 over here and 2. That's how it looks like, this Ram tank. Of course, this Ram tank is based on an older design compared to the Sherman tank over there. It's a more modern design.